If you're starting or scaling a dropshipping store, you've probably heard two names over and over, Zendrop and AutoDS, but which one is actually better for your business? Today, I'm breaking down both platforms side by side so you can make the right choice without wasting time or money. Let's get straight into it. Both tools help you run a dropshipping business, but they're built for very different types of sellers. Zendrop is the plug and go option. It's simple, clean, and perfect if you're a beginner looking to launch quickly or you want reliable US and China fulfillment for branded or private label products. Meanwhile, AutoDS is made for more advanced sellers, people scaling across multiple channels like Shopify, eBay, Amazon, and TikTok shops. If you want automation at a professional level, AutoDS leans heavier in that direction. Now let's talk features, because this is where the differences really show. Zendrop gives you access to over 1 million curated products with better margins, fast shipping through US and China 3PLs, and even AI-built stores. You get private label branding, subscription bundles, and basic automation for pricing and fulfillment. It's optimized for speed, simplicity, and beginners who want fewer moving parts. AutoDS goes wider and deeper. You get access to 25 plus supplier networks like AliExpress, CJ, Amazon, and more. It offers full order automation, real-time tracking updates, dynamic pricing rules, bulk product imports, AI-generated descriptions, and multi-store plus multi-channel control. If you want a dashboard that feels enterprise level, this is it. Workflow is another big separator. Zendrop is streamlined. You pick products from their marketplace and launch fast, perfect for one product stores or rookies. AutoDS, on the other hand, lets you import almost anything from almost any supplier. It's for sellers who want full control and plan to scale hard. Now about pricing. AutoDS has platform-specific plans, meaning Shopify, eBay, Amazon, and TikTok all have separate billing. Starter plans cover around 200 to 500 products, and the high-end enterprise tier can reach hundreds of dollars per month for up to 10,000 products. It's powerful, but you pay for the automation. Zendrop keeps it simple with 3 tiers. A free tier for browsing, a $49 per month pro plan with US products and unlimited orders, and a $79 per month plus plan that unlocks full automation and even includes monthly order credits. So, which one should you choose? Pick Zendrop if you want a fast, beginner-friendly launch with reliable shipping and private label focus. Choose AutoDS if you need deeper automation, multi-channel support, and real-time inventory and price monitoring at scale. Both offer free trials, so you can test them before committing. If this breakdown helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out the links below for extended trial options. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.